Oh, this will be such fun, won't it? Oh, my God.
What are you going to do?
I don't know.
Going in
Sean,
live.
welcome to Nextel. Thank you guys for coming in today.
Thanks for having
Good
us.
to meet you,
Nice to
Amelia.
meet you.
Hello, so
Thank
great to
you.
meet you. Thanks for coming.
Hi, Lisa Rinna.
Hi, Lisa.
Oh, this is so cool. Guess how old my mom is?
Oh, dear.
Not a day over 30.
You are wonderful. Yes.
She's 90.
You are not 90 years
Can you
old.
believe that?
That's incredible.
Let's do an IV. What do you want to do?
I'll watch you.
You watch.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I'd love to get you in the infrared bed.
For what?
The infrared bed that activates those mitochondria. You want to try that?
What did he say?
Tightens your collagen.
You would lay down in a bed. She probably wouldn't love that, to be honest. My mom is very low maintenance. Never had a massage, never had a facial, never had a pimple. She's kind of a freak of nature. Let's get our vitamin IVs in our bodies.
I have to put these on so I can see what you're having done.
The family that health's together stays together. Lois really taught me age is all about attitude. And if you feel young, you will be young. So seeing us girls doing what we do, I'm sure she's thinking, these girls are crazy. Oh, I'm already dripping.
Yeah, I taste mine.
What does it taste like?
Kind of tastes like pee.
Oh.
You want to do the infrared?
Yeah.
All right,
I
let's
would
do
like
it.
to do the infrared.
This one is my favorite piece of technology that we
Okay.
have. You just lay there for 30 minutes, enjoy, you're gonna feel incredible.
Well, they tell me the purpose of the infrared bed is, I don't really know.
You ready? They're officially cryo ninjas.
I have a nipple ring.
That's fine.
Oh
Yep.
my God.
All right, let's do it. Go.
That's crazy.
She's not crying.
Look, she's screaming.
I've never heard anyone
be
scream
so
through the
cool.
cryo chamber door like that.
Here we go. Good job.
Okay, what?
You made it. You guys all right?
Never again.
Hello.
You're done.
Hi.
Good job.
I'm like a new person.
You feel incredible?
I feel great, actually.
Awesome.
It's probably all bullshit, but honey, I will buy it quicker than anyone. Thank you
Thanks,
guys
you
so
guys.
much.
You're welcome. Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you so much.